Hello, good day. I am Becker from Holland. Welcome on my YouTube channel. You find a lot of movies about the CX500, GL500 on my channel. About 1400 movies. And yes, we are going to install a water pump seal, the good one. Not the cheap one, a good one. There are several types to get on the market. Don't buy the cheap ones. First of all, I have cleaned the rear engine cover. It's the name that Honda uses, and there are some corrosion spots, dirt is there. First we're going to clean that out. A normal sand disc. Please do me a favor, don't grind it so long that you get one channel. That's wrong. Why? Because this side of the hole is bigger than that side. So if you grind it through and through drawer completely and you get one great hole, you have your fucking problem. So don't do that. I always use this brand and not a cheaper one. And if you buy a brand, look for the nice glue lines. You never want to see too much glue there, and the spring there has to be from stainless steel. It doesn't rust. And when it gets rusty, it gets crusty and it will go apart. Okay. For the Dutch viewers, a normal standard steel brush, you can buy them by the Acetion, Action Acetion, and it's very cheap and usable, and it works fine. So, especially for you, you can see the water pump seal fits a little bit, about 2 mil inside the hole. Now you can tap it with a special iron and tap it on its place. That's not the way I'm going to work, because I made myself a special tool, and this tool has given me a lot of money because it saves me the time, and I press it in one go on the place. This metal bushing has to be deformed a little bit when it is pushed on its place, so it can close up every hole and seals itself, because on one side there is water and the other side is air, and that has a complete closed, that has to be completely closed, and nothing more than that. To give it a little bit of help, normally I use silicone adhesive, the transparent one, but I have left it in my other shop, a bookstore, so I now use a special liquid gasket, special one. Not much, 2 fingertips is enough. Then I will apply on my special pressure tool made on my lathe myself. Wow. No, it's not good. Something is not right. It has to go deeper. That's strange. There is still some movement possible. Yes, I do not understand what's happened, but I want to go further in, and now it's completely put in. Everything is clean, almost. I take a little bit of dirt out. So. Okay, look here. Yes, it's completely put in. Then I take a small screwdriver. Yes. I have cleaned the water pump seal also. That one is used in the impeller. And that one is the oil seal. So on one side there is a water seal, and the other side is an oil seal. And for all the smart ones, they say they want to change the water seal from the outside. Is it doable? Yes, it is. But this one, not. And also that one is fucked up. You press it in with your thumbs, that's all. It will work fine. Little bit of oil or voila, and then it's fine. So I leave it here. This movie is ended. Then in the next movie I will put the dynamo generator lichtmachine generator on its place, and you can follow that on my next movie. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.